Hi, in this part we will have an overview of spaces on Rosesor and go over the ways you can create and interact with them. Spaces are a general category consisting of entities that might range from a hospitality establishment to a local dance studio, an exhibition hall, or a virtual window front for a musician's day job as a private piano teacher. By creating a space, you give your activity or business a dedicated page, a dedicated calendar to post your availabilities, manage your schedule, and receive bookings, as well as allowing other artists to use your space community calendar as a connection and collaboration point if you choose to enable the community calendar feature of your space. In order to create a space, you can navigate to the third item on the Create drop-down menu on your profile page. Here, you can fill out the basic information and indicate whether you wish to create a commercial space. You should select No if the aim of your space is not commercial and paid activity. You should select Yes if your space is a business or a paid service and if you wish to receive bookings and payments through your space. You may also set your availability on a daily basis, like that of hotels, or an hourly basis, like appointments and private classes. After filling out the rest of the fields and pressing Submit, your space will appear on your profile page and can be discovered by type or location. Your space page and bookings calendar will be visible to both Rosesor users and external visitors, and you can share your link in order to receive and manage bookings and appointments. If you navigate to the space page and click Edit Space on the drop-down menu in the top right corner, you can make changes to your space setting and information. Notice that enabling the community calendar switch will show the community calendar button on your space page. An important point to remember if you have created a commercial space is to set your availability dates and hours. When the availability toggle is set to daily, it is important to click Set Close Days option and select any days of the week you wish to mark as unavailable, for example every Sunday. When switching the availability toggle to hourly, make sure to click the Set Work Hours button and set your regular available time slots. Note that here you are setting your regular availability. You can add one-off unavailable days and hours later on your calendar. This is the view of your booking calendar if your space is set to hourly availability. By clicking the clock icon on each highlighted day, you can view your available hours and mark additional one-off unavailable time slots. If your space availability is set to daily, your calendar view appears like this, and you can highlight and mark any additional days as unavailable. Similarly, visitors can make appointments and bookings based on your availability, and once set, the booked days and hours will be marked as unavailable to others. Both Rosesor users and external visitors are able to view calendars and make bookings or request appointments. Finally, your personal dashboard, which you can access by clicking the dashboard button on your profile, sorts and displays all your bookings and appointments made or received by you in one place. In the next and final part, we will see an overview of open call responses and collaboration features between users and spaces. Thank you for watching.